You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American musician and songwriter, founding member of the Grateful Dead, Bob Weir. You could essentially spell his last name as W-E-E-R. Bob Weir. How to pronounce Bob Weir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.